Friends, did you know that the Mogra plant can be grown from its leaves and that too very easily? For complete and accurate information, please watch the entire video without skipping any part. To grow Mogra from leaves, you need to use mature leaves. You won't get a high success rate with very young leaves that have recently sprouted for very old leaves whose life cycle is almost over. The medium-sized leaves of the jasmine plant show the highest success rate, and you should choose leaves similar to the one I have used in this video for propagation. Here, I am using a disposable paper cup to grow the jasmine leaf, which has a capacity of approximately 50 ml. Whatever container you use, make sure it's of a minimum size. That prevents excessive moisture retention, resulting in a higher success rate. For the soil, you need to use loose, well-draining soil. I used a mixture of 50% normal soil and 50% river sand. Root formation in the jasmine leaves starts within a week. Once rooting begins, the roots grow quite quickly. Just make sure that the leaf does not move after planting and that you don't bury it too deep in the soil. Only the stem part of the leaf should be planted in the soil. The soil should always remain slightly moist. During the rainy season, you won't need to water it. But if you grow it in the spring season, it will require regular watering. After planting, place it in a semi-shaded area. The update you are seeing is after 40 days. If we talk about plants that can be easily grown from leaves, this include jasmine, croton, rubber plant, jade plant, Crassula ovata, and all citrus plants such as lemon, orange, sweet lime, mandarin, and Malta orange. You can easily grow all these plants from leaves. All you need is patience. After planting, you need to be careful with watering for 2 months. The first 2 months will be for root development. Once sufficient roots have formed and when it's the plant's growing season, shoots will start to appear. Friends, this is the second update. After 5 months, I planted the jasmine cuttings during the rainy season. You can plant them in both the rainy season and the spring season. If you plant them in the rainy season, you will only get rooting updates because by the time it's time for shoots to emerge, the winter season will have started and jasmine does not grow during the winter. It becomes dormant. However, if you plant them in the spring season, there won't be any difference in the timing of the rooting updates, but you will see the shoot growth much sooner. Now let's talk about plants that cannot be grown from leaves. This include mango, guava, rose, hibiscus, pomegranate, custard apple, and many others. The list of such plants is quite long. If you want to grow jasmine from leaves, you can plant them during the rainy season for faster rooting. However, if you want to see new shoots appear quickly, plant them during the spring season. Jasmine can be grown from leaves in both seasons. Do not try this during the cold or hot seasons. You won't have success during these times. If you want to know about other plants besides the ones mentioned in this video, and whether they can be grown from leaves, you can ask me in the comments. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.